Institute, Pastor Dominic Blanks here. Today I want to teach you some rootless chord voicings in the key of E flat to the 4. So we are doing a 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So this is a circular movement, and it's actually the cycles of 4. So from G, which is the 7, to C, which is the 3, to F, which is the 6, to 2, and to B flat, which is the 2, to E flat, which is the 5, to A flat, which is the 1, then to D flat, which is the 4. So, and the chords are so we are in the key of E flat. E flat is our 1, B flat is our 2, C is our 3, D flat is our 4, E flat is our 5, F is our 6, J is our 7, then back to E flat. Alright, so the chord progression goes to the 4, which is D flat. So as I said, it's a circular motion, a circle of 4. So on G, we are doing rootless chord voicing. It's 2 hands chord voicing, where you play these chords without a bass, without playing the bass note. So if you are playing your gospel music, you have to go to the 4. You have enough room. You can put in this 9 chords. Your bassist or the bass player is going to play the root notes for you. So on our 7, we have this chord. This is a J minor 11 chord, F, A, B flat, D on my left, F, A, C on my right. You can use J to A as a grace note. Alright, we go to the 3, which is C, and this is the chord we are playing in the key of C. On my left I have E and B flat, which is the tritone of C. Then on my right I have D flat, J flat, and B flat. Alright, so you can see it's rootless. You don't see the root of the notes in the chord. That's why we call it rootless. Our next chord is the 6. On the 6 we have this. This is an F minor 9 chord. F minor 9 chord. We have F, A flat, C, E flat, J, and B flat. And we voiced it this way. So this is how we are voicing the chord. On my left I have E flat, I have J, I have E flat, and I have C. On my right I have E flat, I have J, and I have C. You can grace the F to the J. So putting it together we have we are going to the 2, which is B flat. So we are playing this chord. This is the chord that we are playing. This is a B flat 13 sharp 11. On my left I have D, I have A flat, I have C. On my right I have E, I have J, and I have C. Now we are going to the 5, which is E flat, This is the chord we are playing for the E flat. This is an E flat minor 11 chord. This is E flat minor, this E flat minor 7, E flat minor 9, E flat minor 11. So it's an E flat minor 11 chord voiced this way. So you can see, you don't see E flat over here. It's a rootless chord. And you can grace the the A flat to a B flat. Now we are going to our one, which is E flat, and this is the chord we are playing on the E flat. A very interesting chord. This is the chord we are playing on E flat. So this is an E flat 13 with a flat 9 and a sharp 11. On my left, I'm having J flat, B flat, C, and F. On my right, I have A, D, and C, and I can grace from C to D, making it C to D. All this chord is on A flat, then our 4, which is in the key of D flat. This is a D flat major 7, 6, 9, 6, 9. So you can see the major 7 note, you can see the 6, you can see the 9. So on my left, I'm having F, I'm having A flat, B flat, C, and E flat. On my right, I have E flat, I have D flat, I have E flat. Then I'm having A flat. So you can spell out the note. Or you can play it this way. Alright, putting all together on my 7, which is G, I have on my 3, which is C. On my 6, which is F. On my 2, which is B flat, I have this. On my 5, which is E flat, I have this. On my 1, which is E flat, I have this. Then on my 4, which is D flat, I have this. So putting all together, we have this. Very simple, sweet chords. So within any song that you are playing, that you are going to the 4, you have ample time. You can use this movement. Alright, so use these beautiful chords to spice up your gospel movement. My name is Pastor Dominic Blanks, Grace Note Music Institute. Shalom, peace.